When it comes to project portfolio management, two names stand out, CoConstruct and eBuilder. But which one is actually best for your needs? Let's dive in and see how these two platforms compare across key features so you can make an informed decision. First, let's talk about user interface. CoConstruct is known for being more tailored to the construction industry, with a user-friendly design aimed at simplifying the process of managing projects, budgets, and client communication. However, some users find its interface a little too simplified, leaving more complex project tracking a bit harder to manage. Next thing, let's look at project management capabilities. CoConstruct excels at managing individual projects, offering real-time collaboration features and detailed reporting. But when it comes to managing an entire portfolio of projects, some users report that CoConstruct's functionality can feel limited, especially when compared to platforms like eBuilder. eBuilder, on the other hand, was specifically designed for managing project portfolios at a higher level. It's built for large-scale projects, integrating all the necessary data across multiple projects to give you a comprehensive overview. That being said, eBuilder's setup can be a bit more overwhelming, and it takes some time to fully integrate with your team. The third thing to consider is the integration options. CoConstruct offers good integration with accounting software like QuickBooks and third-party apps, which can be helpful for construction professionals. However, its integrations for larger, more complex project needs are somewhat limited. eBuilder, by contrast, is built to integrate with more advanced tools for enterprise-level project management, but this can also lead to a more complicated setup process. You might be getting more in terms of integration, but it comes at the cost of a steeper learning curve. The fourth thing to consider is reporting and analytics. CoConstruct provides basic reporting, which works fine for smaller projects, but may not cut it for larger-scale projects. eBuilder, however, offers much more advanced reporting features that can be invaluable when managing multiple projects. You get detailed insights into your project portfolio's health, which helps in long-term planning and decision-making. But once again, that comes at the price of a more complex system. Next, let's talk about cost. CoConstruct's pricing can be a bit high for what it offers in terms of portfolio management, especially if you're managing a large number of projects. eBuilder's pricing is on the higher end as well, but it can make sense for large firms who need more robust portfolio management features. The problem with both is that for smaller operations or those just getting started, they might feel a little overkill. Finally, let's wrap it up. Both CoConstruct and eBuilder are solid tools for managing construction projects, but neither is perfect for portfolio management at the level you might expect for larger firms or those looking to scale. After testing both of these platforms myself, I can say they're both worth considering. However, if you want a better alternative for project portfolio management that offers advanced features without the hassle of complex setups or steep learning curves, then I recommend checking out the free trial through the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits and access to the best free trial, only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make your project management more efficient and effective.